song about bucking up systems that buck us up. It's about fighting back against white supremacy and patriarchy and exploitative capitalism and xenophobia and all that kind of shit. It's about standing up for each other. From the backseat, Southtown kids waiting for the bus, and there's a fighting navy blue. Out past City Wall, each little kingdom, the stucco citadel, toe and the children. She found quietly her shadow in the long dark. Stolen glass and locked inside, the same walls, some motels. Out of the dead bomb train, post out of New York. Busted shit shown you in the prisons with a living field with no plantations. Where everybody's returned to practice, now father's court. Sisters, can you shout it out? 17, hard-headed, soft-hearted, wild as hell. May the Lord judge the county and sent me to get clean, and sent me to turn 15, stand near the walls of a Mount Meg's cell. Man, thank you so much to Thayer for playing Thayer Serrano, y'all.
Yeah.
What a fucking amazing songwriter and fucking person, and what a killer band. And international friendly, y'all fucking rule. That's our buddy Drew. Thank y'all for playing. This song is about, it's about fucking listening. You know what I mean? And it's about the importance of listening to folks and not trying to represent perspectives that we don't have. It's inspired by the writer Gayatri Spivak, who talks about epistemic violence and the way that when those of us who are from a certain amount of privilege and power try to speak for people who are disempowered and marginalized and who are denied privilege, then we are essentially stealing their thunder. So instead of speaking for the so-called voiceless, which is bullshit because everybody has a voice, we need to listen to those who have their own voices and amplify those voices. It's called Underneath the Sheets of White Noise. So clear the skies, crackle with a signal. National TV crews are descending. In the press conferences of vigils of food court funded to the mall. Splashing around on the front blue eyes from the butcher store, check out my front pages. Tiny baby cracking round faces, yelling fires against the wall. Her objections of inspired, literate, brilliant, intercutting kids in the north side draw. Women singing cause they're all saying, girl, you're just too loud. She has found her braided beaded head that's on her nose, but I can sense her shoulders like a shake. I can hear the tears tapping on the page. I can see the ink begin to cloud. The empties, house of love, Mr. White Shopper. Big bitch like a pound, like a wood. I can never stand someone versus someone else in voices. There are someone else to leave you, Mexican boys keep the falling to the parts, dusty things. Listen to some music that they end soon as I turn to the faithful relief. This is a large dream. The secret one, this is on the vision of all living. The secret one, tradition to wake and call us a sign. She's at the veteran, so her special window. And she's on the door of burning widows, blackened fingers on the bleach field. 2,000 times south, the crowd outside the Huntsville North. That's how you copy it and